Series 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. We have ignition of the RS-68 main engine. 2, 1. And we have liftoff. Launch vehicle carrying the WGS-6 satellite for the United States Air Force. The wideband global SATCOM satellite provides significantly increased capacity for our nation's leaders, warfighters, and international partners.
Covering the initial launch transients as we're passing 25 seconds, mark 25 seconds.
You are hearing the voice of Steve Agate providing launch vehicle ascent data.
Passing 2.5 miles, 36 seconds, Mach 1 vehicle now going transonic. 42 seconds in, still looking good. Chamber pressure is beginning to drop on the 4 solid rocket motors as expected. Symmetrical burn, only up 50 seconds. Mark 50 seconds, max fuel. Maximum dynamic pressure in the vehicle as we're approaching the 1 minute mark. Mark 1 minute into the flight. Altitude now 7.7 nautical miles. Velocity 2,998 feet per second. 5 miles downrange. Coming up 1 minute 10 seconds. Mark 1 minute 10 seconds. Chamber pressure holding solid in the first stage. 1 minute 15 seconds. Second stage systems coming online. Hydrogen supply valve is now open in the vehicle. 1 minute 25 seconds. Standing by for solid rocket motor burnout just a few seconds from now. We have burnout standing by for separation.
Dat ding is afgesloten. Sessie,
Separation of the solid rocket boosters. 1 minute 54 seconds into the flight. The Delta vehicle now only weighs 1/2 of what it did at launch 20 minutes ago. Balance the rate of 1,850 pounds per second.
This is Delta Mission Control at T plus 2 minutes and 11 seconds. Steve Agate just confirmed jettison of all 4 solid rocket motors, and the mission continues nominally. Our next event is payload fairing jettison, scheduled to take place in just over a minute. Let's go back to Steve Agate.
Wait, there's another one.
2 minutes 35 seconds in. Maximum fairing skin temperature occurring at this time. 2 minutes 44 seconds. Altitude now passing 47 nautical miles. Velocity 8,500.